be too sure.
Hey, I'm swimming here.
So maybe that's a bit of an exaggeration. But really, life under the sea is not that quiet. Whales have long been known to sing to one another. And now, with the help of hydrophones, which are microphones specially tuned for listening underwater, scientists from Cornell University are hearing things that our ears just aren't sensitive enough to pick up. Hear that bacon frying? You can't see them here, but that's actually the sound of thousands of tiny shrimp. And those jokes about talking fish weren't all that far-fetched. That's right, fish make sound. Just like animals on land, fish use sound to communicate with each other. Everything from attracting a mate, to protecting their territory, to warning their friends about danger. But what's cooler is how these sounds are made. Unlike us, fish don't use their mouths to talk. They use their muscles. They have a special set of muscles inside their bodies. They're called the sonic muscles because they make sound. And the coolest part of all, sonic muscles can flex up to 200 times per second. That makes them the fastest muscle of any vertebrate or animal with a backbone. Now combine all that with the fact that sound travels faster and further underwater than it does in the air. And I can't help but wonder, maybe life is just a little bit more peaceful next to the highway.
Wow, this underwater stuff is pretty cool. I would have liked to be able to hold my breath a little bit longer in the underwater hockey game. Even though there's oxygen in the water, I can't breathe it. That's why I'd like to be like a dolphin who can hold their breath for 15 minutes at one time. It was pretty cool driving that boat, though.
Well, you're off to a great start, but you're sort of missing the boat, aren't you? The challenge wasn't just to play games underwater. You have to really live down there. That's where I'm going. Got my gear? I'm going to hang out with scientists at an underwater research lab.
How are you gonna get there? Hail a submarine?
No, I'm gonna swim there.
No. Really?
Really, there's nothing else like this in the entire world. Wonder if we really can live underwater. Imagine you're a scientist. You work on the ocean floor studying all the things that live underwater. How would you get to work? Could you live down there? If you could, how would you breathe? What would you eat? Where would you sleep? I'm about to find out. This is Key Largo, Florida. I'll be heading about 5.5 kilometers from here, off the coast, to the world's only underwater ocean laboratory, Aquarius. It's not much bigger than a school bus, but for 10 days at a time, scientists, better known as aquanauts, call this place home. Everything that happens at Aquarius is under the watchful eye of Mission Control on dry land. Here they monitor oxygen levels, air pressure, temperature, and keep a constant eye on the crew.
Is this a phone to call them?
It is, if you'd like to.
Calling all aquanauts. It's ringing. I'm calling 60 feet underwater right now. This is cool.
The underwater crew communicates with the surface by either internet or phone.
Hi, this is Paula. I'm coming down. I'll see you soon.
So we're fully loaded up with all my scuba gear, and my brain is fed with all the diver safety info. Now it's my time to put my scuba skills to the test. We're heading out to Aquarius to find out just how they live and work at the bottom of the ocean. Let's go scuba diving! Yeah! I feel like an alien.